Yokoso! Welcome to Benkyo Corner! Part of a JLPT N3 grammar series, which you can find here. Today's grammar point is to shitara. This construction is usually used to present a hypothetical situation. It can also be used for an actual situation, in which case the speaker is presenting the situation as if it were hypothetical in order to indicate something indirectly. You can also have moshi in this construction, but it's optional. The literal translation is suppose, if you were, if was, if were, if one did, if one were to, if verbed, if did not verb. You can also similarly use suruto and sureba in place of shitara. However, there's a small difference in that the tara conditional focuses on what happens after the condition. The ba conditional, however, focuses on the conditional part. An example to illustrate this: tomodachi ni aereba kaimono ni ikimasu versus tomodachi ni aetara kaimono ni ikimasu. We will go shopping if I can meet my friend versus if I can meet my friend, we will go shopping. This is very, very, very subtle. I wouldn't get too worried if you can't tell the difference apart because that's a super subtle difference of emphasis, and they're both grammatically correct and they're both get your point across almost in an identical fashion. So I'm pointing out that difference, but I don't want people to fret over it. It would mainly be like, if I can meet my friend, we'll go shopping, versus like, if I meet my friend, we're going shopping. Shopping is the emphasis versus if. Alright, moving on to some examples with to shitara. もしタイムマシンがあるとしたら、どの時代に行って誰に会ってみたいですか? If there were time machines, what time period would you go to, and is there anyone you'd like to try to meet?
I want to fucking go back in time and meet young hot Marlon Brando.
次! これらの辞書の中でもしどれか一つを選ぶとしたら、やはり電子辞書にするだろう. Amongst these dictionaries, if I had to choose one, I'd of course have to go with the electronic dictionary. 次! この問題がわからないとしたら、それはあんまり勉強しなかったということですよ. If he does not understand the problem, that means he didn't study enough. 次! 生まれ変われるとしたら、男がいい、女がいい. If you were born again, would you be a man? Or would you be a woman? 次! 君が僕の立場としたら、この場合どうする? どうする? If you were in my position, what would you do in this situation?
助けて.
次! ここでライオンに出会ったとしたら、どうしますか? What would you do if you met a lion here? I would squeal with delight and then I would scream with horror. 次! 病気の療法するとしたら、いいところはどこですか? If I want medical treatment, where would be a good place to go? Last one! ひょっとしたら勝つかもしれない. I may win by some chance. Alright, that's it for today. 勉強してください. If you want to check out more JLPT N3 grammar videos, click here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel so that you get a little alert when I post more grammar videos, which is several times a week, click here. Ideally, just click both. Alright, see you next time. じゃあね。また後でね。